Hey guys and dolls, it's your girl Nicole at Nonstopchic, and today we're going to be doing a look inspired by the Golden Globes. That's right. So if you want to see how I created this look using the chocolate gold palette from Too Faced, you just keep on watching. Now let's get started.
Well, hello everyone. Today we're going to be getting started with this beautiful palette. I'm going to be using Cocoa Truffle on my crease to get this look going, and I'm using MAC 217 brush to apply it. And this is the superstar of the palette, Chocolate Gold itself. Such a lovely shade. I'm going to take my Chanel 11 brush and apply it to the center of my lids. This glistening army green olive shade is called Holla for a Dollar. No, I didn't make that up, and I'm using my MAC brush 228 to apply. Coming with the metallics for the inner corners is Drippin' Diamonds. This shade is Rich Girl. I think the Dripping Diamonds tone is a little too silvery for what I was going for, so this tone has a little bit more of a copper feel, so it'll blend better with the chocolate gold. And we are really going to begin to build this look out with this black shade called Decadence. Now I'm applying Money Bags. You got the bag? Anyway, this emerald tone was really big on the red carpet, complementing the black, so I think it fits perfect for this look. Now I'm extending that same shade down and across my lower lid using my C431 Precision brush from Crown Brushes. And I'm going back in with the Decadence across the waterline. Lash me.
So now at this point we have our lashes on. We are going to put on some mascara. Love this. Smells so good to enhance this look. And then it's going to be time for some blush and some highlighting. And then after that, we will have our lip. So please believe I love a good contour just like the next person. However, who has time to do all of that all the time? I don't. I got things to do. So anyway, I'm just going to take this brush really quick and just do a quick jut on my nose, making an 11 right here. And I'm just gonna blend that out, make it simple dimple. Getting set up for a highlighter. It gives me the definition without like lines. This is the Moda Pro Blush Pointed Blush Brush, the BMX 130.
And just blending that out.
I'm actually going to use my blush today. This is going to be Sunbask by MAC. And I think I'm going to use the e.l.f. blush brush for that. And I'm just gonna go, I don't know if I'm gonna go all the way to the cheeks. I'm just gonna follow that contour line and give this look a little more heat. On highlighter. Today I'm going to be using a combo. So let me start with my like super duper ride or die, super duper old faithful, super duper has grown up with me, the Lorac Baked Bronzer. Ooh, I broke it back up out the crypt, y'all. Don't that look like a planet? Planet, 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 gold. You get it.
And on double glow duty is the Anastasia Beverly Hills collab with Nicole Guerrero palette. I'm using shade 143. I'm starting our lip today by lining mine with Brown Suede by Jordana. The main base color is called Driftwood by MAC. The second lipstick to enhance this tone, because it's a little too pinky for me, is shade 270 by Inglot. And then we're going to top it all off with Purr Lip Gloss by MAC Hunty.
Here you have it, folks, our final Golden Globe look. I was actually really moved by the show. It took on a tone that I wasn't expecting, and I really got caught up in the moment in watching Oprah speak and just talk about what it means to be a woman in today's society and how we really do only achieve the things that we want to achieve for all of us if we stand together, whether it be locally between you and one girlfriend or on a big scale such as last night where all the actresses and actors turned into activists. So thank you so much, celebrities, for using your voice and standing up for other women if you have not been personally affected by sexual harassment or sexual abuse. It's important that we stand up for those who have. So hashtag time is up. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. As always, so glad to see you in this new year. I will see you again next week. And until then, you know what it is. Stay chic.